friends. Today we are trying to learn some colors. Red, pink, orange, violet, blue, yellow. Let's try to draw some shapes. Triangle. Circle. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Square. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Circle, heart, star, pentagon, square.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A,